Hi community, this is 73 Free, and I just wanted to welcome you to my workshop. I'm getting ready for my annual Christmas tree making with arts and crafts from sentimental broken pieces of jewelry that I've been collecting throughout the summer at the garage sales, tag sales, and auctions. So just a little bit more on to the accumulation of different items that can contribute to the Christmas trees. So just wanted to welcome you and to let you know that arts and crafts are very good for relieving stress and helping seniors or anyone to be able to settle their minds, bring a calmness into their lives. And so based on that, I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to start out with making Christmas trees. Normally I'll make these Christmas trees using different things that I found at the garage sales. So here's a wooden Christmas tree that I did get at Michael's. And so what I'm going to do with this particular tree is to take it. Okay, family, so I'm back, and just to show you that we're going to take some of these watches that are on the table and place them and glue them with a hot gun glue onto the Christmas tree. That's wood, and it's got a border around the outside, and to which I'm going to take some of this gold leaf paint. I'll be taking gold leaf paint. Here it is, a picture of that. And I'll paint it on the outside around the edges of the tree. Then we'll go ahead and glue some of these watches onto the Christmas tree. Now, you can use a wood surface and then hang this or place this type of decoration someplace in your home. But what I wanted to show you was another way that you can use your collectibles that you are no longer collecting. For example, if you had buttons, then that would be another way in which you could use your Christmas tree decorations. You could make them out of buttons. Or I'm also going to take a plain box and decorate it and use it as a gift ideal by putting some of these sparkles. There's these sparkles here that I'll be using to put around this box. And then I've got a lot of keys that I've been collecting for several years. I'm going to make Christmas tree decoration outline out of that as well. And then here's another one which I use junk jewelry, buttons, and little rhinestones and placed on a piece of felt that I had put into a picture frame. So this was one of my very earlier ones. And since then, I've been using and trying other backgrounds such as fabric and gluing the fabric to the picture frame board and then framing it and then drawing my outline of a Christmas tree and placing the pieces of jewelry, earrings, rhinestones, and so forth. So here again, here's my book, Garage Sale Psychology 101 by the Pack Rat Queen of Oz, who is me, and as well as that is my pseudonym. But other than all this types of things that you've collected throughout the summer or even over the years, there's a lot of things that you can do with your watches, either from family members or heirlooms that have been bequeathed to you or that you've inherited from other family members. I just wanted to make another watch Christmas tree as I had done before, but unfortunately I didn't hold on to it. I sold it at one of my infamous garage sales. So I've always wanted to recreate that. And in addition to that, now I've also wanted to take boxes such as this one and different sizes, jewelry boxes, make them a treasure box. Hi, this is 73 again, 73 Free, just to let you know that we've been doing arts and crafts today with watches, and we do plan on making some arts and crafts with keys and some buttons to be able to let you know that you could make Christmas festive holiday decorations on anything with a flat surface or even a surface that's not so flat For example, I have made using hot glue gun. I have several from over the years that I've used, and I use a high temperature. And then I also have this Elmer's adhesive spray that when I was putting these Christmas trees on cloth and adhering the cloth to a board in a frame, I would use this Elmer's glue. You can also use some of this quick hold glue. I did get this at Michael's. That's that quick hold, or the E6000 glue, which is also for jewelry and beads. So that may be something. In addition to that, I have also used little tools in which I can use to pull apart some of the jewelry that's already broken, but I may need to separate it. I do have a few tools here that I do use, so that might be something that you might want to get and have handy for when you go to start placing your design on your surface. So based on that, just to let you know that this is the jewelry tree that I placed the ornaments here, and I'm going to go through, take each one off and put them right back in place after I glue them. I just sort of wanted to get an idea as far as the placement of what I'm going to put on the tree, and once it's done, I'll be able to stand it up or display it someplace within my home. So based on that, I want to say thank you for watching and subscribing. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know what you think. And if you have any hobbies at home that you're working on that might be able to bring in the season with a festive outlook or festive decorating. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you again for watching me on my arts and crafts. And tune in for my next channel presentation when we'll be working with keys and buttons, and then earrings and rhinestones and bracelets and necklaces. So it's going to be a fun time during the rest of this month in which I'll be showcasing different items that you can do at home in your own privacy, arts and crafts, and to be able to brighten up your home.